Hi, I am T-Shield. I will guide you about the importance of seatbelt and why you should wear it. Seatbelt is a vehicle safety device designed to secure the occupants during collision or sudden stop of vehicle. For your safety, T-Shield recommends the following. Adjust seat to sit comfortably so that the back and hip are firmly in contact with the seat. Adjust headrest height so that the center of the headrest is in a position slightly higher than your ears. Adjust seatbelt height via the belt anchor to prevent seatbelt from coming into contact with your neck. Wear your seatbelt as low as possible over your hips and make sure that the seatbelt is not twisted or loose. For pregnant passengers, wear your seatbelt around the lower hips so that it is away from their abdomen. Install child seats onto the rear seat such that it does not touch the back of the front seat. Do not install the child seat in the reverse direction of the front seat to avoid serious injuries that may happen when the airbag is deployed. Be sure to install the child seat in the forward direction and push the seat back as far as it can go. Always use genuine car seat which is compatible with your vehicle. Before driving the vehicle, ensure all the occupants have fastened their seat belts. Have a comfortable and safe journey. I am T-Shield.